Hey guys, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be unboxing a Stranger Things plushie. So this is Dustin, as you guys can see right over here, and it looks very good. And I'm actually dying to open this up because it's been sitting in my room for like 2 weeks now, and I couldn't open it. So yeah, with no further ado, let's go ahead and unbox this. So by the way, this is actually Netflix official merch. So yeah, that's pretty cool considering I only got it for $4. So yeah. With no further ado, let me pull up my very high-tech unboxing gear and unbox this. There we go. Alright, that's nice. As you guys can see, some standard packaging. Let's open this up. Okay, now, alright, Dustin plush. As you guys can see, it actually looks better from out of the box. As you guys can see, it looks really nice. Yeah, I mean, there's Dustin's hat and everything. You got the drip, like always. Yeah, as you guys can see, I'm not gonna squish it because I'm gonna put this back in the box. I'm gonna keep it as a display. It's really nice. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this short video. And yeah, please subscribe because it's free and it helps me a lot. And yeah, until next time, peace out.